Hey guys, Skip here. Well, she's all done. Got the control surfaces all centered and everything. Had to fool around with a couple of things. Only two servo arms really needed adjustment on the inner flaps to get the throw correct. Otherwise the linkage was too long. So got that taken care of. Everything else pretty tight. Did want to show you something inside the hatch here. Hold on one second. Okay guys, excuse the bouncing around here. I've got this kind of held in my hat cam. The 4000 is not what I'm going to be running this thing with, but it's a good one for testing it out. I like Jeff's custom RC I like a nice neat fuselage. I don't like the wires running all over the place. I don't like rat's nests. Looks a lot better this way. A couple of points I wanted to mention. This blue box here still has a problem with the rudder and nose gear steering. In fact, when you run it through the blue box into your receiver, mine didn't work at all. So then I just ran the the rudder straight through to the receiver and it worked, but the nose gear doesn't work. So you have to Y them in. Take the nose gear out of the front and just pull that lead all together. The rudder, that one too. You're just going to run they even give you an extra longer rudder lead to make that trip too. So it's kind of like they knew that might be a problem. So just get yourself a Y connector if it didn't come with one. My AL-39 did, this one did not. And just hook up your nose steering and your rudder together and plug that into your receiver. That was really the only issues I had with this. The delay on the retracts, if some people like that really long delay, which I don't, I found a simple solution was to go out in here into the rudder channel, or for that retract channel, and move it in. Move it that way to the closest pin. You get about 4 seconds maybe delay instead of about 12 or 13 seconds delay. All right, that's a tip from Skip, and let's fire this thing up and I'll show you how this bad boy turned out. Okay guys, we're back here. We've got everything working. We've got our flaps on a 3-second delay. Hey, how's it going, guys?
Pretty cool, huh, Mike?
Yeah, it's an Airliner, 7 foot long.
Wow, that's pretty awesome.
Hold tight 1 second here, guys. Friends from down the street, they're kind of interested. The kids really love seeing this stuff here. Anyway, my retracts and everything work real well. We got a car coming. Now I eyeballed this thing for steering. I want to see how close I got it. It looks like it needs a little bit of trim there. Nice tight turning radius on this thing though. That's 100%, which is what they actually recommend on this thing. All right, hands off. Let's see how straight it's going. I'll drop the flaps. I want to see how far this thing coasts. Okay, so I got to adjust the steering just a little bit. Thank you. A busy street today. Alright, that's tracking pretty straight, Gonna need a little bit of work. Give it a little power up. Wow. Wow. It's got some force to it.
Throttle cut.
Put our flaps back up.
Flaps up.
Got the radio talking.
Low rates. High rates. Low rates. Landing flaps. Flaps up.
I won't do the gear.
Mid rates. Low rates. On.
Oh, can't wait till I get her out, guys. It's a little bit windier than it looks right now. We're kind of in a subdivision, but it's still 9 to 12 mile-an-hour gusts. And I don't think I'm going to have a easy time fitting this in my truck without taking at least one wing off. Looks that way. It'll be my first that I have to actually remove components. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a Merry Christmas and a better New Year. See you later.